Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 20L. Today I'll show you all unlock methods. Firstly, let's go to settings. Tap on security and tap on screen lock. We've got none, swipe, pattern, pin, password and fingerprint unlock methods. Let's tap on swipe. Now, only thing to unlock your phone is swiping up. Now, pattern. Set your pattern, confirm it, and use it to unlock your phone. Then we've got PIN password. Contains at least 4 digits. Confirm it. And use it to unlock your phone. Then we've got password. At least 4 characters. Now we can go further to fingerprint. To unlock your phone, you have to scan your fingerprint and also set password. Touch sensor is here on the side of the phone. Touch multiple times with different angles and tap done. And the last way to unlock your phone is face key. Scan your face in order to unlock your phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.